You are quiet. We walk out together. Stop. Quiet. Just a second. Gabe, let's turn off the light. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously, we will be presenting. I need my backpack. Thank you, Ezra.